Welcome to the fourth dimension. Welcome back to the fourth dimension. It's Ken Jackson here again. It's a nice, kind of chilly day out here in Texas. Anyway, COVID. Hope you guys are being safe. Check on your family, your friends, your loved ones. Let everybody know you care about them, you love them. All that stuff. Be nice to each other, man. Look out for each other. We need each other right now. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, remember that brand, the Sealight brand I bought for the fog lights? Them fog lights was actually really good. So I was like, let me show you guys before I tell you. Unlock the door of Miss Ilaria. You see the problem? You see that right there? And you see that? And then you look back there and you see that? And then you look right here. It's like, these are like xenon or LED. I don't know what's behind here. It looks like xenon to me. It's like cool white. Then we got halogen bulbs back there for whatever reason. And I don't know if this is Nissan or if it was a previous owner. I don't know who did it. Whoever did it, why? Like, make the whole car match. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the whole car match. That's what this Sealight stuff is for. Let me go back and get the package. Global supplier for automotive LED lighting. Interior lights is 10 to a pack. Comes in this plastic case, and then I believe that might be a static package, just in case. Sealight 194, 168. Those are the type of bulbs you're getting. Pack of 10, brand new in the box. They're pretty small. So, which ones are we gonna change? Apparently, these fit the map light, the dome light up front, the courtesy lights that's in the doors, and the upper lights up in the upper roof panel, and apparently they fit the trunk light. So I want to change all of those. That 10 to a pack is just enough. The hardest one, or the most annoying one, is probably going to be the trunk. Now behind here, there's wires and stuff behind there that's going to the license plate. So pretty much all you got to do is pull these tabs out. If you want to be lazy, just pull those two tabs out, pull this out, and stick your hand down there, and then change it. Or you can take the whole thing off. That way you can look at your wires and all that other stuff if you care about all that. But the most easiest ones are going to be your courtesy lights. You can disconnect the battery if you want. Pretty much there's a little opening down here. You can pull off this glass cover or plastic cover, revealing your light. I did it with my bare hands. Also, for these dome lights, you might need a pry tool. Now, I don't have mine with me. I lost it somewhere. A small little plastic pry tool that can dig in here and unsnap the stuff, and you can change the light bulbs. That's for both sides. Or you can use a flat head, but that would be if it's a dirty flat head, or you might be digging too far and you might leave some stains on your interior. But we're gonna change this bulb. We're gonna see how bright this Sealight light is, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so pull the tab out, press down on this little white tab to release the cable from the holder, the holster, whatever you want to call it. My bad. Got these copper pins that you can pretty much pull up to release the light bulb. This is the old halogen light. My camera focus. Thank you. So we're gonna put the LED light in there. That literally takes like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna put this LED light in there. Yeah, I pulled out one bulb. Both about the same size. You can see the LED sitting right up in there. You're having a hard time focusing, huh? Yeah, they're about the same size. It should fit perfectly in there. And the cable is just giving power. It's just a different type of light. The cable is going to give power to the light, just like the headlights. It's not like you got to rewire anything. So hook this up real quick. So I just put it back in there. It looks just looking pretty good. These are one-way bulbs, by the way. So the Sealight logo needs to be sticking out. Hold on. Press this button. Sealight logo. You need to be able to see that. If the logo is on the other side, then it's not going to turn on. So it's a one-way bulb, so it only turns on one way. Like I said, this will take you about 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Pretty bright light. What you gotta do is tuck the cord back up in there. Pop this back into place. Make sure you get the snaps in there. Wait, I got a cable sticking out a little bit. We're doing stuff with one hand. There you go. Get them snaps up in there. That looks pretty decent. Close the door a little bit. That looks a lot better. Oh my God, now that I get it in the darkness, it looks a lot better. Now it kind of matches up with the Maxima logo. Yeah, I like that. I like that. You see that reflection on it? See that reflection, boy? That light is pretty bright. Now see, that's more of a clear white. These up here, it's more of like a cool white. It's more of a clear white. There's a difference, by the way. I'm not, don't think I'm stupid. There's a difference. There's the yellow, the halogen, then there's the daylight, and there's like a clear white. There's cool white. When you're dealing with cars and stuff, there's a lot of different options, but regular light bulbs, there's like 3 different options. This looks like a cool white, that looks like a clear white, or might need to be cleaned up a little bit. I don't know. We're gonna change the rest of these bulbs. I'm gonna go to the trunk real quick to show you guys that. And these are obvious. Get the pry tool, pull it out, snap it back in place after you change the bulb. I gotta change the rest of the doors, but we're gonna go to the trunk so I can show you guys that. Before we head to the trunk, these LEDs also can replace these halogens down here at your footwell. So I'm gonna need some space for that. But as you know, there's no cover behind there. It's kind of tucked in there, depending on your car, I guess. For mine, I can pretty much reach up in there and pull it out, change the bulb that way, or it's kind of sticking out. There's not really a cover down there, so that's, I like to show you guys what I'm talking about. It makes more sense to show than to tell. You see, just reach up in there and take it out. Just as simple as that. I find the one for the passenger, same thing. Reach up in there, take the bulb out, put the new one in there. I just hit my arm, but that's okay. On to the trunk. Since I don't have me pry tool, I'm gonna be using a small little flathead. Dig the flathead up in there, twist it a little bit, it comes right out. Right? That's the first one. I'm gonna do it the lazy way. I'm not gonna take the whole thing off. It's already loose enough. Well, not really. These parts right here is what's stopping it. I need 2 hands for this. Give me 1 second. So I opted out of going the lazy way. I took the whole thing off. But some cars don't even have this, remember? Some cars just have a flat back, but they don't have any insulation up under there. No, it might be easier for some of you guys. But pulled all the tabs out, put them in the trunk so I won't lose them. These 2 big knots that was right here, or whatever you want to call them, big pegs. You just pull them out. You don't need any tool for that. But here are your bulbs for the license plate. What you gotta do, same thing with the front. There's a little tab you want to snap or press. I might need to put the camera down for this. Yeah, let me put the camera down. So, what you want to do is unplug these little tabs. Press this brown piece. Unplug it. And twist the light bulb out just like you would do for the fog lights. Pull it out and there it is. Now, same size bulb, I can tell. I'm gonna put the LEDs in there. I won't be able to show a comparison, but I will show the brightness, of course. Remember, some people may prefer halogen. Y'all need to be looking at my license plate type stuff. You know how people are. Some people want LEDs because it makes the car look better. It honestly does. And I'm paying too much. Well, I paid too much for this car for it to have so many halogen bulbs in it. And it's a higher trim. And it's a Nissan Maxima, not a Nissan Altima. So I prefer my LEDs. Anyway, I'm going to install them. Be right back. So nothing special with these. Just pull them out, put the new ones in. No twisting, just pull the bulb out, put the new bulb in. And we're going to install them. I'm going to show you guys how they look, and I'm going to install everything else without recording it. So, and we got action. I love the tail lights, boy. Nah, but we got action. Now, I wanted to make sure I put them in right before I like twisted them all up in there and did all the extra stuff. But they looking pretty bright, huh? Yeah, they look good. I like that. I like that. I can also, well, you can also change that bulb up in there. I think I'm gonna do that too. Try to run through all 10 of them. I recommend these, dude. They are bright. I don't have the car running. I just got the light switch turned. The car turns off. Well, the lights turn off automatically. Anyway. Put it back in place. Twist and turn. Turn and twist, whatever you want to call it. Get up in there, girl. Don't get up in there. It ain't working. Wait. I got it? Nope. There we go. Lock back in place. There we go. Now, just to see how bright it is, gonna show the license plate. It's not too dark outside, but it looks better than those halogens. I like that. I like that. Sealight, you doing me good. You got 2 good marks, 2 good checks in a row, man. I like your products. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna change the rest of these bulbs out. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time. If you wonder why I parked the car like this, because I got more work to do. So, thank you guys for watching. I recommend this product. I'm gonna post a link in the description and all that extra stuff. Peace out.